Are y'all feeling it? Can I get an amen? Like, how do we feel about it? Like, let's check the temperature a bit. Definitely came together, honey. It's giving us grown, sexy, ready for almost like a bridal shower. Corporate. That's what I'm getting. It is a 2-year-old wig from Unice hair, but it's still giving what she needs to give.
Brown baller, take one. Action.
Okay, baby, so we're gonna hop straight into this video, y'all. I know I look crazy with my set it offs. Yes, they're old and I just washed them. Mind your business. I just want to show you guys how I installed this 2-year-old wig from Unice hair. Yes, y'all heard me correct. 2 years old. So I'm just gonna start off by kind of prepping my hair. Just using some Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle. I'm just gonna put on this brown wig cap and of course tuck my hair in the back. Y'all, I had these struggle braids in for at least a month now, but we're promoting hair growth all 2020, the rest of our lives. Praise God. I'm gonna double up and put another wig cap on. This is gonna be the one that's gonna partially show through. It's a little bit lighter and I'm just gonna add some foundation to it. I'm not doing the ball cap method because another time for another day. I'm just kind of gonna fast forward through me actually installing the wig, and then I'm gonna come back once I'm like melting the lace down. So give me a second.
Yeah. She don't never do my hair.
You don't have any wigs, synthetic.
But I could be her model. I'm a good looking model. Look, y'all look at me. I got no makeup on.
Get out!
I could be her model. The next time that you guys see this video, make sure that you tell her your mom could do some videos. Just to give a look out of your 20s, right?
What?
It's a good idea.
Get out of here.
I have a great face.
Okay.
Look at my side.
Get out!
And I don't have no makeup on, so just imagine, right? Deuces. Jesus. Okay, so my wig is officially in the melting process. I'm definitely gonna have to go back and add a little bit more hairspray. Like I said, this is a 2-year-old wig and it is from Unice hair. Of course, I have updates and reviews of this wig and I can't believe she has lasted for 2 years. Like, she still is there. Like, yes, she lost a little bit hair quality, but 2 years? 2? Unice got something cooking in the water. Pretty much just wanted to chop it up, if I'm being honest with you. I'm gonna pull all the hair to the front. Wanted to do like a little lob situation, not too short, but like, oh, y'all, I'm nervous. I'm immediately nervous. Okay, I have scissors. Oh God, okay. I'm just gonna do it. 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 Ah! Cocoa melon and dogs barking. That's all I hear. Okay. Y'all, I did it. Okay. 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 Now, the most important part is that I cut the same way. Does that look even? I can't tell if it's even or not, but it looks even. Okay. 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 I'm gonna play around with these scissors and then I'm gonna come on back to y'all. Who knows what we're gonna end up looking like. Praise God. Okay, babes, here is the finished look. Are y'all feeling it? Can I get an amen? Like, how do we feel about it? Like, check the temperature. Let's check the temperature a bit. I don't know how I feel about my fit, but I'm feeling my hair. We came together. Let me take the glasses off. We definitely came together, honey. Giving us grown, sexy, ready for almost like a bridal shower. Corporate. That's what I'm getting. I just thought that this would be a cute little fun little look or whatever. And I just threw these beach waves in it. Little end of the summer vibes. I'm about to go kick it, hang out, have a few drinks with some friends. So if y'all like her, give me a fire emoji. Give me something. Show me some love if y'all like her, how I styled her and the cut and everything. I'm really in love with the cut, to be honest with you. I probably will never wear this straight though, because I like a lot of body and volume. She's cute. She's giving for sure. Like I said, this is a 2-year-old wig from Unice Hair. I'm very impressed that this hair actually lasted longer. Like I said, the quality from when I first got it, even up to 6 months to a year, like, it's obviously not the same, but it's still giving what she needs to give. The biggest problem that I have with this wig now is that it just gets really frizzy, not necessarily tangly, but just really frizzy, so you can kind of see like wiry hair. I put oil on it and then just brush it out with my round brush, which if y'all don't have one of these brushes, make sure y'all get one. It is a cheat code. I absolutely love this brush. If you want soft hair, this is definitely the brush to go to. And that's all for this video, babes. I hope you all enjoy it. Make sure if you made it to the end of this video, y'all smash that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media. You know I'm about to go flick it up over there. I will see you, babes, on the next one. Now give me a kiss.